Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to leave feedback on eBay. To leave feedback on eBay, what you need to do is firstly, you need to open the eBay app. Open your eBay app. After you open your eBay app, what you need to do is tap on my eBay. After you tap on my eBay, tap on purchase history. After you tap on purchase history, locate the relevant transactions. And secondly, what you can do is access the feedback page. Click the leave feedback button next to the item. And thirdly, rate your experience. Select a rating: positive, neutral, or negative. Rate transaction aspects like shopping cost, item descriptions, accuracy, and shipping time. Next, what you can do is add details. Write a comment about your experience. You can also upload up to 5 pictures or 1 video. And lastly, click the feedback button at the bottom of the page. Like this, you can leave feedback on eBay. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.